Oh, this is so exciting and wonderful. Look at this. Oh, oh. My bike will be so happy. How do I do this? Comes from Yamaha. Isn't that cool? They have all the good stuff my old barn find.
Motorbikey. So, it's really heavy. Oh, look at that. Wow. Excitement. Oh. One high flow, high quality motorcycle air filter. And one fuel filter. Oh, made in China. What a surprise. And which one first? This one or this one? I'll do this one. Do the big box first. Why not? Isn't this exciting? Unboxing an air filter? Isn't that amazing? And look at it. Look how big the air filter is. It's humongous. Wow. There you are. An air filter. Wow. How awesome. And we have a solenoid thingamajiggy. Start a solenoid. At least it's supposed to be for the bike. We have two connections. It goes somewhere. And this little baby comes from the ignition. I actually thought there were two wires, but it's only given me one, okay. And these two go to the starter motor, which is sits on the top of the bike, and the starter motor is underneath the frame on the motor somewhere. Anyway, we'll do a video for that one, so hopefully this one will get the bike going, because according to the meter, the other one wasn't working, so hopefully this is the problem and not something else down the line. Okay, see, done.